This is 1.14 acres of land for sale in Florida, and it's surprisingly affordable. Located on Grand Quivira Circle in the Compass Lake Hills community in Alford, this wooded lot puts you right in the heart of the Florida Panhandle. The lot gives you plenty of space for your future build. Whether it's a custom home, a manufactured home, or a mobile home, you've got flexible options here. No flood zone, power nearby, and very low property taxes, making this an easy hold or build opportunity. And here's a sample mock-up of what your future home could look like on this property, just to help you visualize the possibilities. You're also surrounded by lakes, outdoor recreation, and optional community amenities like a pool, boat ramps, and more. It's a great spot for a future home, weekend escape, or long-term investment. Available for $13,500 cash, or with owner financing at around $290 a month. This is one of the most affordable land opportunities in Florida. Invest in your future today. Contact us at 813-733-5476 or visit www.gatewaylandinvestments.com.